Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Call of Duty error code 0xC8B97F99. The error reads sys_error dev error 0xC8B97F99 on Call of Duty Warzone Cloud Gaming. As per our research, this error comes when players try to launch Call of Duty via cloud gaming. The game freezes and fails to open every time. The first thing you should try is deleting the saved reserves of the game. To do this, go to your Cloud Games profile. Then find Call of Duty. Then click on the game and select Delete Saved Reserves. Wait for the cleanup to complete and then relaunch the game. Please note that deleting saved reserves may result in the loss of game progress. If deleting saved reserves doesn't work, try resyncing the data and check if the issue is resolved. If the error persists and you're playing on PC using the Xbox app, consider switching to the browser version and check if this helps. If the error still persists, check if you need to update the game or your gaming device. If there are any pending updates, install them and see if this resolves the error. If you are done with everything but still see the error, then we suggest you contact the game support and report the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.